Welcome back to the channel for another Ohio's First Buc-ee's construction update in Huber Heights, Ohio. Today is October the 24th, 2025.
Is there a special day next week, Sonia?
There could be.
I think it's someone's birthday next week.
Could be.
Probably the day this video gets released, October 28th.
Yes.
So I hope a lot of the viewers out there will wish Sonia a happy birthday next week. I think she's going to be 21 this year.
Yeah, 25.
Well, we're standing across the street from what will be the entrance to the new Buc-ee's. We're at the intersection of Arts Road and State Route 235. There's not going to be too many more Friday nights that we're going to be able to do these because we're starting to lose daylight. It's getting a little cool outside. See, we got our jackets on tonight. It's in the 50s. Nighttime's been going down in the 30s, so the season's changing.
Yes, it is. We just don't get a little bit of something in Ohio. It's like 80 degrees and all of a sudden now it's 60.
Or none. So if you're new to the channel, we'd like to say thank you for stopping by and clicking on our video. Our YouTube name is Follow the Arrows. We've been making Buc-ee's construction update videos since November of 2023, when this was just an empty field behind us. This is going to be the first Buc-ee's in the state of Ohio. The building's going to be 74,000 square feet. It's going to have at least 100 gas pumps. It's scheduled to open in April of 2026. We plan to keep bringing you construction update videos all the way through the grand opening. So if you're new here, thanks for coming by and check out some of our older videos. And like I always like to say, we make other videos too, so please go ahead and check them out. As far as this week's construction update, I think most notably the south side of the building, they're starting to install the bricks over there. The fuel pump islands, the work is progressing on the facades. A little more concrete's been laid out there. The front of the building where the large dirt pile was, they're doing a little work out there to
knock it down,
take some of that dirt away. The guardrail that you see behind us that was flattened for a few weeks, they fix it now. We'll get you a better look at that here in a minute. The mystery of the missing attention YouTuber sign has been solved. We got a notification on YouTube last week. Somebody had taken that sign with our sticker on it and created a YouTube short, and we'll go ahead and put a screenshot of that right here. The other attention YouTube sign is still on the guardrail behind us. Now tomorrow we're going to be at the Carmel Apple Festival in Fairborn, Ohio. Last Saturday we were in Fairborn, Ohio for the Carmel Apple Festival. We had a real good event there. Nice crowd, decent weather. We were featuring a festival special caramel apple donut boat. People seem to like it. This is Harrison. He's a subscriber to the channel. He stopped by to see us early on in the festival. We had a little bit of time, so we were able to get outside the trailer and each get our picture taken with him. Later on that day, John showed up. He's also a subscriber. Now, when John showed up, we were kind of busy, so we weren't able to take a picture with him, but Sonia got this picture of John through the window. I'd like to thank both of you guys for stopping by and saying hi, and we also like to thank you for supporting the channel. Here's the guardrail that got flattened a couple weeks ago. See, they've got this put back together. Looking good. We'll see how long this one lasts before it gets taken out like the last one did. Over here you can see the attention YouTubers note. It's got a boat going right through it. I guess they don't want that one coming off the pole. This is across the street from the Buc-ee's, right off of State Route 235. Not sure what this is, but we'll find out in the coming weeks as they get this completed. Well, I think that's going to do it for today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit that hype button down there so we can get pushed out to some more subscribers.
Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
This is the retail store. You can see the brickwork being completed on the south end of the building. You can also see the sidewalk being laid out on both the south and north side of the front of the building. Still not real clear yet which end of the building the BUC-ee statue will be located on, so if you'd like to leave a comment and let us know which end of the building you think the BUC-ee statue will be located, the north end or the south end, we'll find out together once it's in place and see who guessed it correctly. On the back of the building, you can see the work being done on the loading dock. Here's a look at the south entrance to the BUC-ee's from State Route 235. You can also see the big dirt pile that used to sit in front of the property is slowly being leveled out, and some of that dirt's being taken away as we fly over right here. Towards the back of the property here, you can see the start of the little utility building, which typically this utility building is where the mural is located. Not quite sure what they're going to do here, as it doesn't look like you'll have access to the back of the building, so we'll have to wait and see how this progresses. This is the exit ramp from I-70 West to State Route 235. You can see the progress that's been made here. This is State Route 235. You can see the progress that's been made on the road updates in this area. Here's the fuel pump island canopies. You can see the progress that's been made here.